Imagine paying $20 for ChatGPT every month, another $20 for Claude, maybe Gemini too. And every single day you are switching between tabs, logging into different platforms, copy-pasting between tools, trying to figure out which AI is best for the task in front of you. What if I told you that was completely unnecessary and that there is one tool that has every single one of those models, including the newest versions like GPT-5, 5, Claude Opus 4.7, and Gemini 3.1, all in one place, for less than the cost of a single subscription? I canceled all other subscriptions, and I have not looked back. By the end of this video, you are going to see exactly what I switched to, why it made sense, and how you can do the same thing starting today. The tool is called ChatLLM by Abacus AI, and you can find the link in the description below. Go ahead and open it now so you can follow along as I walk you through everything. ChatLLM by Abacus AI gives you access to all the best and latest AI models in one place. Right here on the homepage, you can see every major model listed and ready to use, including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Grok, and more. These are not stripped-down versions or limited previews. These are the full, latest releases including GPT-5, Claude Sonnet 4.6, and Opus 4.8, and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Every time a new model drops from any of the major labs, Abacus AI makes it available immediately. You do not have to wait, upgrade your plan, or sign up to a different platform. It is just there, ready to use. Getting started is straightforward. Sign up with your Google account, and you unlock access to every one of these models for only $7 in your first month. Once your account is set up, you land on this clean, simple interface. From here, you can access every top model in one place, including ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Gemini, DeepSeek, Minimax, image models like Nano Banana Pro, and more. There is no friction, no tab switching, and no juggling multiple subscriptions that drain your wallet every month. Let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. The first task I want to run is a real-world one. I will ask the AI to create a brief breakdown of how someone can earn $3,000 in a month using free AI tools, covering 3 to 5 realistic methods. For this task, I am going with ChatGPT 5.5, since it is a strong all-rounder for practical, actionable content, and I will go ahead and submit that now. The response from ChatGPT 5.5 is genuinely impressive. The very first method it suggested was repurposing content for businesses, and it did not stop at the idea. It broke down exactly how to execute it, suggesting things like turning podcasts into LinkedIn posts and webinars into long-form blog content. It also recommended free tools you can use at each stage, laid out a full monetization plan, and even defined the target audience for each method. The other ideas it suggested are just as realistic and actionable. And remember, instead of paying $20 a month just for ChatGPT access, you are getting all of this inside one platform where you can switch to a completely different model the moment your next task calls for it. Now, let me show you something that demonstrates exactly why that model switching ability matters. Imagine you want to start a blog, but have no idea where to begin. Rather than spending hours researching and drafting from scratch, you let the AI do the heavy lifting. I have a prompt ready for this. I am asking for a fully optimized blog post on how to do deep research using RouteLLM, and I want it to include an SEO metadata description, target keywords, and a complete step-by-step guide. For this task, I am switching to Claude Sonnet 4.6 because Claude consistently performs at a high level for professional writing, structured content, and long-form scripts. That is the advantage of having every model available in one place. You are not locked into one tool. You choose the right one for the job. The blog post comes back in moments, and the quality speaks for itself. It opens with a well-crafted, optimized title that you can easily update with the current year. It includes a ready-to-use SEO meta description and a focused list of keywords you can plug straight into your publishing platform. The content itself is structured and thorough, starting with an explanation of what RouteLLM is, who it is best suited for, how to set up your account, and then walking through the entire research process with a clear step-by-step guide. This is exactly why so many creators are scaling their output right now without burning out. No more wasting time switching between tabs and trying to remember which platform does what best. With ChatLLM by Abacus AI, you have every model available in one subscription ready to handle whatever task is in front of you. Now here is where it gets really interesting. ChatLLM by Abacus AI has a feature called RouteLLM, and this is something I have not seen anywhere else. Instead of you having to decide which model to use for each prompt, RouteLLM automatically picks the best model based on what you are asking. Let me show you exactly how this works. I am dropping in a prompt to build a fully playable maze game using a single HTML file with JavaScript and CSS. No extra instructions, no model selection. I will just submit the task and let RouteLLM decide. As you can see, RouteLLM selected Claude Sonnet 4.6 for this task, and that is exactly the right call. Claude Sonnet 4.6 is one of the strongest models available for complex coding tasks, and I did not have to think about that for a single second. The system read the prompt, understood what was needed, and made the decision automatically. Now the code is being written in the background, and in just a moment you will see a full preview of the playable game. Look at this. The interface is clean and user-friendly, with a live score display, a countdown timer, and full button controls. This is a complete, functional game built entirely from a single prompt. This is what AI in 2026 actually looks like. You no longer need to know how to write a single line of code to build something real. All you need is an idea. With the right tool, you can build, tweak, and bring that idea to life, whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced developer. Something like this lets you visualize and test a working prototype before you invest any time or money into deploying it properly. And just so you know, I won. The score is tracked, the game resets, and you can play it again and again. You could share this with anyone right now, or download the code and deploy it on a live site, or publish it to an app store and start earning from it. That is the power of RouteLLM. If you are writing code, it routes your prompt to the model strongest at coding. If you are doing creative writing, research, or analysis, it picks accordingly. You are getting the best possible answer every single time without having to think about which model to choose. For anyone who has spent time studying the differences between models just to figure out which one fits which task, RouteLLM removes that burden entirely and gives you back time you did not know you were losing. ChatLLM by Abacus AI also gives you access to the top AI image and video generation models, all in one place. To start generating images, click on the image section right here. This is where you enter a prompt describing exactly what you want to create. For this example, I am using a prompt of a young, smart woman holding a handbag and a phone, standing in a modern living room. You can also attach a reference image if you have one, either from your library, your generated assets, or directly from your device. What makes this section stand out is the range of models available to you. ChatLLM by Abacus AI gives you access to GPT Image 2, Nano, Banana, Flux, Dream, Midjourney, Grok, and many more, all from the same interface. You are not being handed a single image model and told to work with it. You have the full range, which means you can choose the right generator for the right output, whether that is photorealistic imagery, cinematic scenes, or stylized illustrations. For this prompt, I am going with Nano Banana Pro because it consistently delivers highly realistic results. From here, you can select the number of images you want per generation and choose your aspect ratio depending on whether you are creating content for horizontal or vertical formats. Nano Banana Pro also supports resolutions up to 4K, so the output is ready for professional use straight out of the platform. I will go ahead and generate now. Look at what comes back. This is a cinematic, realistic image you could use immediately for content creation, social media, or client work. There are no plastic-looking faces, no visible glitches, and no awkward distortions. It is clean, professional, and ready to use. And if you want to make any changes after generating, whether that is swapping the outfit, changing the background environment, or adjusting any detail in the image, simply click the edit icon and describe what you want to change. The AI will handle it. When you are happy with the result, click the download button to save it directly to your device. The best part is that once your image is generated, you can turn it directly into a video without ever opening another platform. Go back and this time switch to the Video tab. Click here to attach your image. You can grab it from your computer or from your saved files, which you will find listed as the first option here. Select it and click Done. Next, paste in a motion prompt that describes how you want your image to come to life. This is where you tell the AI what kind of movement, atmosphere, and energy you want the video to have. And just like with the image models, you have a full range of video generation models to choose from right here inside the same platform, including SeeDance 2, Kling 3, HeyGen, VO2, Grok Imagine, and others. Most of these also support native audio, which means your video comes out with sound already built in. For this generation, I am going with SeeDance 2. It is currently the strongest video generation model available, capable of producing videos up to 15 seconds long with impressive scene consistency and realism. I will leave the version set to fast, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and set the resolution to 720p. Make sure the sound toggle is on, then hit generate. Here is what comes back.
Okay, girls, it's shopping day, and I am so ready for this.
Honey, come on here. Come on, freelance with your money.
The video is generated with native audio, the motion looks polished
Okay,
and
girls,
realistic, and what makes SeeDance 2 genuinely impressive is how it builds multi-scene storytelling from a single still image. The result feels cinematic, not like something stitched together from a prompt. With all of these models stacked inside one platform, you can generate action-packed short films, commercial ads, storytelling videos, and bring any visual idea to mind without ever paying for multiple subscriptions to do it. Now, beyond the models and the generators, ChatLLM by Abacus AI includes a powerful built-in agent system. This is where the platform goes from being a model aggregator to being a fully capable AI workspace that can operate on your behalf around the clock. To show you what this looks like in practice, we are going to build a personal AI agent designed to handle incoming emails. Go ahead and connect your Gmail account first and complete the authorization. Now that it is connected, I will paste in the instructions. I want this agent to monitor incoming emails from partnership inquiries, filter everything received in the last 48 hours, extract the sender details including the email address, subject line, and message body, analyze each email against information from a knowledge base, and then craft a friendly, professional reply. Hit submit and let the platform get to work. Before it builds the agent, it will ask you a series of setup questions to make sure everything runs exactly the way you want it to. It will confirm the Gmail connection you just completed, ask for links to your social media pages, website, or any other sources the agent should pull information from when crafting replies, and ask which keywords it should look for in subject lines to identify the right emails. It will also ask where you want the CSV output saved, whether that is by email, Google Drive, or both, and whether the agent should reply automatically or hold each draft for your review first. Finally, it will ask what time the agent should run each day. Once you have answered all of those questions and hit submit, the platform starts processing. It sets up the daily scheduled task, connects to your Gmail account, and if you selected Google Drive as your output destination, you will be prompted to sign in and grant the necessary permissions. Once everything is authorized, your AI agent is fully built and ready to test before you launch it. From the agent dashboard, you can pause it at any time, edit the instructions to adjust how it operates, review what it has been told to do, or run a test to make sure everything is working perfectly before it goes live. If you have ever struggled with emails piling up in your inbox, replies getting buried, or partnership messages going unanswered because you simply ran out of time, this agent removes all of that pressure and handles your business communications consistently and on schedule. And this is just one example of what the agent system can do. You can build and run multiple agents at the same time to schedule meetings, book appointments, connect with your existing tools, and automate the repetitive parts of your day, all running securely in the cloud without you having to lift a finger. On the collaboration side, ChatLLM by Abacus AI lets you invite team members into your workspace, manage them easily, and share conversations directly with them. If I click here to create a project, this window pops up where you can name your project and add a brief description. I will name this one Alex Best Studio. The idea is that this will serve as a shared workspace for my team to plan, script, and produce YouTube content for the channel, and to collaborate on different AI tools and resources together. From here, you choose who should have access to the project, If you have already invited team members, you can share it with the entire organization or with specific users. New permission options will appear, and you can decide whether other members should have full control over shared files, access to shared files and custom instructions only, or view-only access to the shared resources. Once you have set that up, go ahead and create the project. The project is now live, and from the panel on the right, you can add custom instructions and upload project files. I am adding custom instructions that cover how video scripts should be written, who the target audience is, the AI tools I focus on, the kind of content I make, and a full video production workflow. This means that every time I or a team member asks the agent a question inside this project, it already has full context of what we do and how we work. It skips the generic back and forth and jumps straight to personalized, relevant responses. You can also upload any related project files directly into the workspace. I have added a video description template, a master script template, and my brand kit, so everything the agent needs is already in one place. Now watch what happens when I ask the agent to suggest 10 video topics I should create content about over the next 2 weeks. It does not produce random ideas. It generates video topics that are specific to my niche, aligned with my exact content style and workflow, and actually performing well on YouTube right now. For each idea, it explains why the topic works, the key points to cover in the video, relevant SEO keywords, and the viral potential based on current trends. For example, one of the suggestions is how faceless channels are making thousands of dollars from World Cup videos. If you search that topic on YouTube, you can see that these videos are pulling in thousands of views, and because most of them were posted recently, the topic is still wide open and actively growing. This is genuinely useful for agencies, small teams, and solo creators collaborating on AI-assisted projects because everyone is working from the same environment with the same models and the same context, rather than each person managing their own subscriptions and starting from scratch every time. Beyond team management, the platform also connects with enterprise tools like Slack, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, and OneDrive, so you can build custom chatbots and AI agents that run directly on top of your existing company data and workflows. Now, let us talk about pricing, because this is where everything comes together. ChatLLM by Abacus AI is $7 for your first month, and then $10 per month from the next billing cycle onwards. That is it. Compare that to $20 for ChatGPT Plus, $20 for Claude Pro, and another $20 for Gemini Advanced, and you are looking at $60 a month just to access 3 separate tools. $10 gives you all of those models in one place, plus image generation, video generation, a full agent system, team collaboration, and enterprise integrations. The value is not even close. If any part of this video made you reconsider how many subscriptions you are currently juggling, the link to ChatLLM by Abacus AI is in the description below and also pinned in the comments. Click it, explore the platform, and see for yourself why this makes far more sense than paying for multiple tools separately. If this video was useful, go ahead and give it a like, share it with someone who needs to see it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video like this one. Check out the video on screen now for more content just like this.